Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share new updates in WhatsApp and new AI Imagine updates. Let me show you what is that. From my mobile, I just opened WhatsApp and I just opened my WhatsApp chat over here. So there will be attached icon will be there. Just click the attached icon. There will be a document, camera, gallery, everything will be there. There is a new Imagine AI tool will be available. Just hit the button new Imagine tool. So what do you want? Imagine. So whatever I'm imagining, I can give, the image will come. For example, the lion sitting on the beach playing with kids, like that. So whatever I imagination, everything I can put over here, automatically the image will be generating over here. As you see, this is a beautiful option. Just click it to send, so automatically the image will be sending over here. So you can send or animate. For example, I just want to animate this one. I just click here for the animate. So once I click it for the animation, so animation will be happen over here. So it is a beautiful and easiest way. The AI will be generating all types of imaginations. See that? So the animations with the beautiful option will be given. So I can send to anyone, for my friends or anything. So I can able to imagine, I can able to play and see that. So this is a beautiful option. Whatever you imaginations, everything will be displayed over here. So a lion or cat on solar. So something you can give on things, whatever you can imagine, everything you can give. So solar systems, like that you can give. So whatever information you have imagine, everything will be there. So you can just click here for send and animate, or you can generate the animation, so that you are asking the image, automatically the imagination image will come to your front of your mind, and with the animation, so you can able to send to your friends, or you can able to imagine whatever imagination you have, you can give, and you can get the image from the WhatsApp. So this is a beautiful and updated WhatsApp thing. So if you want this update, means you just update your WhatsApp in your Google Play Store or App Store. So use this option to create and imagine whatever you want and create a new image using WhatsApp. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.